Get into a car with value. 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Follow your heart's desire in this sleek, bold Corsair. Wrap yourself in the luxury of its premium interior, feel the security of its driver assist safety tech, and enjoy the capability and convenience of this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. Enjoy the satisfaction of true luxury in this stunning Corsair. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.